Hello guys, welcome back to another video on HZ Motoring. Today we've got this beautiful VW Caddy and today we're going to be ply-lining it. We've got the ply-lining kit from a website online. It costs around £130. It's a good bit of kit, and if you want to go check our content out on our channel, you can do. And I'm going to pass you over to Wayne. Wayne's going to show you how to ply-line this caddy, so over to Wayne.
Yeah, thanks Leo, thank you. So what we're going to do, basic fitting of the kit to start with. We are going to make this van into a camper, so it is part of a project. So if you go to his channel, you'll see the rest of the project building. So what we aren't going to do, we aren't going to fit some of the kit. We aren't going to fit the back door parts. We're not going to fit the floor. We've got a fantastic video coming up where we've got an extendable bed. Quite a new project that, something I've not seen on YouTube before, so stay tuned to his channel to see that. We're also going to show you how to make a template for the back door and carpet that, but not in this video, that's coming up. So the ply lining kit will be fitted, then removed. We're going to carry on insulating, we're going to completely carpet it. This is just the first stage. So I'm going to start ply lining right now. So just about to fit the first piece of ply, all I'm going to do, get the section, offer it up. Now, first view of this, it looks like it's a little bit oversized. It's not. Basically, because the van's not a flat surface, it's got a slight curve in there. I've got to match this ply to that curve, so just a little bit of force. Now we've got a nice seam there, so we know fitting properly. Self-drilling screws that's supplied with the kit. So hopefully, with a little bit of acrobatics, I can do this one-handed with both hands without assistance. There you go. Yeah, that's secure enough for me to fill the rest of the ply now. So, onwards and upwards. So that's it, that's the first section complete. I'm just going to spin round now, go straight to the next section. Right, once again, does look tight, match the curve of the van. Yeah, and I'm happy with that. That's the second piece up. Applying the doors now. Fitting the door card, the ply section to the inner door, what I've found is it's so tight that the ply section doesn't even go past this seal. Okay, now what I'm going to do to assist me fit this is I'm going to simply remove this seal, and as I'm going to recarpet this van eventually with our project and carpet these sections, I'm not going to refit the seal just yet because I've got to take it off anyway, and what it'll do, it'll help me just fit this ply door section. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So simple come off, full seal. That's it. So there you go, that's given me an extra probably 5mm on each end, and that'll help me put maybe ply door section. so once my seal goes back in, it's fine, it's nice. Yep. Keep that in driver's footwell, driver's side, so not get them mixed up. And there we go. So that's it, guys. Main ply in. Fit the arches now, arch covers, and then we're away. That's it, guys, job complete as far as we're doing for this this project. Right, so that's it, guys, that's his ply lining kit fitted. Like I've said, we're not going to fit the floor and we're not going to fit the headliner to this van. We're going to make a headliner because we're going to fit some more LED lights in it. Got a kit of LED lights to fit. We've got a different floor where we've got a retractable metal framed bed. That's a superb bit of kit, so like I say, watch his channel to watch that video later. But for now, that's it.